Hey there, welcome back to Cool Product. Today we are talking about Best Baby Bottle Washer. If you are a new parent and feel overwhelmed with constant bottle cleaning, this smart appliance could make your daily routine much easier. Let's take a closer look at how it saves time and effort. Let's get started. The product we are focusing on is the Papablick B03 Baby Bottle Washer. Papablick designed this machine as an all-in-one solution for busy parents. It can wash, sterilize, dry, and even store baby bottles, pump parts, and small toys. Instead of using multiple devices or cleaning everything by hand, the Papablick B03 Baby Bottle Washer handles everything in one compact unit. One of the biggest advantages is its flexible cycle options. If you are in a hurry, it can complete a quick wash in just 19 minutes. When you need a deeper clean, it can run a full washing and sterilization cycle in under 84 minutes. This flexibility gives you more control over your time and allows you to focus more on your baby instead of standing at the sink. The design is also very thoughtful. The Papablick B03 Baby Bottle Washer features an angled control panel that is easy to see and operate. This small detail makes a big difference, especially when you are holding your baby. You do not need to bend down to press buttons. The ergonomic design is especially helpful for postpartum mothers or those recovering from a C-section, making daily use more comfortable. When it comes to cleaning power, the Papablick B03 Baby Bottle Washer truly stands out. It uses a precision spray system developed through extensive lab testing. Inside, there are 26 targeted water jets that produce up to 25,000 pascals of pressure. This strong and focused spray reaches deep into narrow bottle valves and detailed pump parts. It ensures that milk residue, even burnt or spoiled milk, is removed effectively. Sterilization performance is equally impressive. The Papablick B03 Baby Bottle Washer achieves 99.99% sterilization efficiency, proven through over 1,000 lab tests. This means you can feel confident that your baby's bottles and accessories are hygienic and safe for everyday use. The compact and modern design also fits nicely into most kitchens without taking up too much space. It combines powerful technology with practical design, making it a reliable helper for daily baby care.
Less stress, more time for your baby. If you want a powerful and convenient cleaning solution, the Papablick B03 Baby Bottle Washer is definitely worth checking out. Check the price link in the description for more details, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more smart products that make life easier. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.